What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Microsoft. It's been a while since I made a video on Microsoft. I think it's been 4 weeks now and some days. So without wasting much of your time, we shall be diving straight into the chart right here, because obviously from my previous video, I was still very much bullish on Microsoft regardless. So without wasting much of your time, this is where we're currently at right now. Microsoft finally broke out of the major resistance we were talking about, which is definitely $434. We broke out of that resistance. Very good. After we had this crazy downtrend right here. So you could see we had this crazy downtrend. Whenever we come in contact with this level, we either get a fake out or we retest and we end up moving towards the downside. All of a sudden we broke out massively, broke out of the 200 weekly moving average, 100 weekly moving average, broke out of this resistance right here at $434, rallied all the way into $513. Found resistance there for what reason or another. It seems to me like we are most likely heading towards this level to find support at $434. And the moment we're able to find support around here, I think we're most likely going to see Microsoft being able to rally all the way to as high as $570. I think this is most likely what we should be expecting from Microsoft. Worst case scenario, we probably find support around $434-$35. We find support around here. Very good. We could rally much higher depending on how positive we get a reaction from there, or we will still drop all the way down to this trend line, which was acting as resistance for us. Find support around here, then we could rally even much higher. This is also very much possible. Where I can possibly say there is a worst case scenario is obviously seeing Microsoft breaking below this trend line right here and having to drop much lower. But other than this, I think the chances of this playing out is as low as roughly 35 to 30%, while the chances of this playing out is roughly 70% to me, and this playing out is roughly, let me say, 60%. So yep, that's just majorly it right here. Nothing too serious in terms of the the headline I could grab right here for Microsoft. We could see Microsoft prices as 678 billion backlog defies tech sell-off. So we could see Microsoft, the enterprise software, cloud, and artificial intelligence powerhouse, climbed approximately 1.1% to $488.93 on Monday, even as semiconductor stocks dragged the Nasdaq lower. That resilience is no accident. Investors see Microsoft's colossal contracted backlog as a powerful cushion if the technology trade cracks again. So we could see fiscal fourth quarter revenue jumped 18% to 90 billion. Azure growth accelerated to 43%, and commercial remaining performance obligations exploded 84% to $678 billion. Roughly 30% of those commitments should convert into revenue within 12 months, while Microsoft cloud revenue advanced 27% to $59.3 billion. The demand is already booked. Now Microsoft must deliver it. So you could see the valuation picture adds fuel to the bull case. Microsoft $488.9 share price sits 15.51% below its $578.67 GL value estimate. But the AI build out carries a brutal price tag. Quarterly capital expenditure topped 41 billion, driving free cash flow down 23% to 19.6 billion. Investors still believe Microsoft can transform aggressive infrastructure spending into durable cash generation, but the widening gap between operating cash flow and free cash flow is the pressure point that cannot be ignored. So, I think at the end of the day, what we definitely need to understand right here is that I still do think Microsoft will still be Microsoft at the end of the day. If Microsoft is into AI and all what's not, Microsoft will definitely come up top out the top 5, top 10, industries that will definitely be recognized in terms of these categories right here that is currently trending as of 2026. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. All we need right now is a calm before the storm to the upside, obviously. So yep, have a wonderful day. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.